So one of the most requested services we hear about today is data migration. A lot of clients are in the process of upgrading or changing their mechanical integrity programs or the solution that they're using for mechanical integrity. And we get requests fairly frequently to help them migrate the data. Data is needed in a different format. Typically, the data to calculate risk is the same, but you may need additional data fields and things like that. Or if you're maturing in the process and you have different inspection planning needs, then our team can help you go out and collect that additional data and put it into a format that's needed for your new software solution.